Hi, I'm Nick Zager from Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and in this video, I'm going to answer a frequently asked question, and that would be, is there a difference between residential real estate and commercial real estate? Well, the short answer is, of course there is. There is a huge difference between them. Any top residential agent wouldn't consider trying to do a commercial transaction. And likewise, the best commercial brokers don't cross over into residential either. As a commercial agent myself, I use my experience and expertise to help my clients achieve their commercial real estate goals. I help them to transact at the highest level. Even though I have the same license as my residential associates, I know that I am not an expert in that market, and I want the people I care about to properly advocate for. So I refer any residential business I have to a trusted residential expert in our field. Alternatively, commercial real estate has a multitude of additional layers and points of negotiation that affect the economics of a deal. And if you are a residential agent and you decide to dabble, know this: the seller, landlord, and commercial agent at the other side of the table know that you don't understand the game and you are likely going to be manhandled in that transaction. To make things worse, even though you had the best intentions, a poorly handled transaction can leave you open to significant liability, to the extent that you can lose your license, your reputation, or owe significant money. It's simply not worth the risk. In residential, you are making value determinations based on comparable properties and supply and demand in your area. Your job is to hold your client's hand through the emotional roller coaster of buying and selling their greatest asset, their home. Their decision-making is very personal, such as their preferences for home design, layout, and neighborhood, etc. And although people do personally care about their businesses, commercial transactions are more business-oriented. Even for commercial leases, commercial agents use their skills to facilitate all the other parties who are necessary for this business transaction to take place, such as working through construction, entitlements, environmental factors, zoning, tenant improvement allowance, free rent, build-out concessions, and not just the rental rate. All of these factors combined can significantly affect the bottom line of our commercial clients. Furthermore, in commercial, there isn't a one-stop shop like having a multiple listing service or MLS, where you can easily sift through the available properties and find exactly what is desired. As a result, the commercial deal is super data-driven, and tenants need to consider multiple options and negotiate on all of them to the end, while juggling whether to purchase or a lease may be the best option. Gathering the data and properly comparing all the opportunities together can take a long time, but if done properly, it can significantly affect the bottom line. And on the flip side, the complexity of these transactions can magnify mistakes, expensive mistakes. Although we both assist our clients, we have different skill sets and different market knowledge. Ultimately, for our clients, it makes the most sense if we stay in our lane. Commercial real estate is incredibly complex, and if you aren't an insider, good information can be difficult to come by. In my practice, I am always learning and growing, and I like to diligently serve my clients and provide them with the best tools to make the best decisions for their business's real estate. If you have any specific questions or comments about anything I've said, feel free to contact me directly by email or phone, or leave a comment below. If you found any value or liked the video and would like more information about how to properly navigate the commercial real estate world, feel free to check out these other videos. Again, I'm Nick Zager from Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you again.